So for C, we've got a few fractions here, and we're going to split them up into the different bits. For the first bit, we've got a 1 over sine squared there. And then we've got a cos x over another sine squared, but rather than writing it out lots of times, I'm going to write that as a sine x times by a 1 over sine x. I've also got a 1 over x squared there, and then an x over x squared, which of course is just 1 over x. So there's lots to do before we can get to the integral. So 1 over sine squared, well, clearly that's a cosec squared x, and we're going to be able to integrate that. Cos over sine, that's a cot x, cosec x. This bit here is just an x to the power of minus 2, and that one there is just a 1 over x. Now we've done all the work, let's integrate. So cosec squared, that goes to minus cot x from the list. Cot cosec goes to minus cosec x. This one here, the power just goes up by 1 and divided by the new power. And here, 1 over x goes to the ln of x. So lots to do in that one there before we get down to the answer. Let's see what we have to do for D as well. It's a bit quicker this time. So we've got 1 over sine squared x there, plus 1 over x. So 1 over sine squared, well, it's what we just did up there, isn't it? Is that really, that's easier than the last one because it's just that bit, add that bit. So we're getting there minus cot x plus the ln of x.